You may find it surprising that up to 30% of adults report experiencing hip pain or flexibility issues. Yes, it's a common problem that many people face, often without realizing the root cause. Our hips are central to our body's movement and overall wellness. They bear our weight, allow us to walk, run, and jump, and even play a key role in maintaining our balance. However, various factors can lead to hip pain and flexibility issues. One of the main culprits is a sedentary lifestyle. With the rise of desk jobs and technology, many of us spend hours each day sitting, which can lead to tightness and discomfort in the hip area. Our hips were designed for movement, and when we don't provide that, problems can arise. Incorrect exercise form is another common cause of hip pain. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or a beginner, it's easy to perform exercises incorrectly without realizing it, leading to unnecessary strain on your hips. Age-related wear and tear can also lead to hip issues. As we grow older, our joints naturally wear down, and the hips are no exception. Over time, this can lead to pain and decreased mobility. However, it's not all doom and gloom. The key takeaway here is that hip pain and flexibility issues are common, but they're not something you just have to live with. There are solutions available, and one of them comes highly recommended by experts in the field. But here's the good news. There's a solution that can help, and it's endorsed by experts in the field. Top physical therapists and trainers endorse the Unlock Your Hip Flexors program, and for good reason. Imagine a tool so powerful yet so simple, it has the potential to transform your health and fitness journey. That's what Unlock Your Hip Flexors is to many professionals in the field. They've seen firsthand how this program can turn lives around. Let's hear from some of them. Renowned physical therapist Dr. James says, "I recommend this program to many of my patients. The sequential flow of exercises targets the psoas muscle, a crucial muscle in our body that controls balance, ability to sit, stand, twist, reach, bend, walk, and step. The exercises are easy to follow and the results are almost immediate." And it's not just physical therapists who are singing its praises. Top fitness trainer Mike shares, "I've incorporated Unlock Your Hip Flexors into my training routines. It's a game changer. It not only helps with flexibility and strength, but it also reduces pain and stiffness. My clients love it." This program is a perfect fit for all fitness levels. Whether you're just starting out on your fitness journey or you're an athlete looking to improve your performance, Unlock Your Hip Flexors can be tailored to your needs. It's all about improving your overall well-being, one step at a time. But don't just take their word for it. Thousands of individuals worldwide have experienced the benefits of this program. From reduced hip pain and improved strength to enhanced overall health, the testimonials are endless. So what's the secret? How does this program achieve such incredible results? Well, it's all in the detail. The program is designed to be completed in 10 to 15 minutes daily. It's a small investment of time for a big return in health benefits. So, what makes Unlock Your Hip Flexors so unique? At the heart of the Unlock Your Hip Flexors program is the focus on the psoas muscle. This isn't just any muscle. The psoas muscle, pronounced psoas, is deeply intertwined with our physical and even emotional well-being. It's the only muscle in the human body that connects the upper body to the lower body, a bridge if you will. It affects our posture and helps stabilize the spine. So, when the psoas is tight or unhealthy, it can lead to a myriad of problems, from lower back pain to feelings of stress and anxiety. The Unlock Your Hip Flexors program recognizes the importance of this often overlooked muscle, and has a set of exercises designed specifically to target it. The exercises are arranged in a specific sequence, or, as the program calls it, a sequential flow. Why a sequential flow, you may ask? Well, this carefully crafted order of movements is designed to sequentially loosen, stretch, and ultimately strengthen your psoas muscle. It's not just about doing the exercises, it's about doing them in the right order. And the best part? This program is incredibly easy to use. No need for fancy gym equipment or a diploma in anatomy. The exercises are simple and can be done right in the comfort of your own home. The program guides you through each exercise, explaining what to do and why it's important. It's like having a personal trainer right there with you. Now let's talk about time commitment. We all lead busy lives, and finding extra time can be a challenge. That's why the Unlock Your Hip Flexors program is designed to be efficient. The whole routine takes just 10 to 15 minutes a day. That's less time than most of us spend scrolling through social media. So whether it's first thing in the morning to set a positive tone for the day, or a wind-down routine in the evening, this program can easily fit into your schedule. But how soon can you see results? The Unlock Your Hip Flexors program doesn't promise overnight miracles, but it does deliver real, lasting improvements. This is not a magic pill, no, but a dedicated approach to improving your overall health and well-being, one that targets the psoas muscle, a vital player in your hip flexibility and strength. The results of this program, like any fitness regimen, vary from person to person. Factors such as your current fitness level, the severity of your hip issues, and most importantly, your consistency in following the exercises, play a significant role in the outcome. However, the beauty of this program is that it caters to individuals of various fitness levels, making it accessible to virtually anyone who wants to embark on a journey towards improved hip flexibility and reduced pain. The exercises are designed to be completed in 10 to 15 minutes daily, fitting seamlessly into your busy schedule. Testimonials from users are a testament to the effectiveness of this program. From office workers seeking relief from sitting-induced hip pain, to athletes looking to enhance their performance, Unlock Your Hip Flexors has proven to be a game changer. Users report a noticeable improvement in strength, reduced discomfort, and an overall enhanced quality of life. But remember, the key to success is consistency. The more dedicated you are to the program, the better the results you'll experience. It's all about taking that first step and sticking to it day in, day out. And over time, you'll start to notice the changes, the freedom of movement, the reduction in pain, the overall improvement in your well-being. So, whether you're looking to improve your athletic performance, seeking relief from chronic hip pain, or simply wanting to live a healthier, more active life, Unlock Your Hip Flexors could be the answer you've been searching for. In a world where hip pain and flexibility issues are all too common, the Unlock Your Hip Flexors program offers an effective solution. It's an approach applauded by physical therapists and trainers alike, praised for its detailed methodology, easy-to-follow routine, and outstanding results in tackling hip-related problems. The program targets the psoas muscle, known for its crucial role in hip flexibility and strength, and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, requiring only 10 to 15 minutes of your day. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, recovering from an injury, or simply looking to improve your overall health, this program could be your ticket towards better hip health. Now it's your turn to explore this program and embark on your journey to improved health and strength. Remember, every stride towards better health counts, no matter how small. We love hearing from you, so please leave a comment with your thoughts, experiences, or what you'd like to see in future videos. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Monster Health Tip video.